People change, so do cities. In layman's language, a city is an inhabited place of greater size, population, or importance than a town or village. But have you ever wondered your beautiful city might be encouraging some environmental issues? Let's find out how. Due to uncontrolled urbanization, environmental degradation has been occurring very rapidly and causing many problems. But every lock has a key, and for every uncontrolled urbanization, there is a circular city. So, what are these basically? Let's put it this way. When the clothes become too small, they are replaced by new sets of clothes, one size bigger. After a quality inspection, the returned clothes are then washed. Subsequently, the clothes are delivered to another baby, resulting in a circular process. A circular economy provides the opportunity to rethink how we make and use these things we need. What potential does a circular economy hold for cities? The implementation of a circular economy vision could foster the emergence of thriving cities, livable cities, and resilient cities. Thriving cities in which economic productivity increases through reduced congestion, eliminated waste, and reduced costs. Livable cities with improved air quality and resilient cities reducing reliance on raw materials. So, how can we transform a city into a circular city? We can do so by achieving nature as a template. Also, with the help of green infrastructure. Green roofs. It reduces waste in the construction industry by increasing the longevity of exterior surfaces. Stormwater management. With newer sewer systems, there will be a separate conveyance of stormwater directly into the rivers. But hey, everything has its pros and cons. While moving towards a more circular economy could deliver benefits such as reducing pressure on the environment, improving the security of the supply of raw materials, the economy is not a silver bullet for employment. The jobs created by the circular economy may be different from existing jobs in scope and location. Wrapping up, is circular city economically good for a long run? Considering the numerous benefits, it is clear that cities investing in green infrastructure become more circular and tackle several issues at once. Studies have already shown how economically the benefits do outweigh the costs of such systems. And it is obvious that there is much to gain in mimicking nature and transitioning to circular cities of the world. Thank you.